Welcome to Mora AFC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful placket. Very simple. I'm going to give you the tips and the tricks that you need to achieve this beautiful placket. Very simple. I'm going details with how to put your stones on it and how to sew it so beautiful like this. It's very simple. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. It is what it is. No, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I have several videos on how to make plackets. So I want mine exactly 2 inches, so it's 5 inches, and I folded it into 2. Then I put the facing on it, and you can see this part is 2.5. So I put facing on half of it. The length is supposed to be 15 or 16. Mine is 16. I'm going to use 16. It's very simple and easy. I have different kinds of style of plackets. I have it there. I'm going to leave the link below. Make sure you check it out. There's more details more than this. So here it is. So this is the thread that we're going to use. This is the thread that we're going to use. It's supposed to be 1.5 inches or maybe 2 inches. The measurement is supposed to be 2 inches. Mine is 1/4 to 2. So it's almost 2 inches. So the length is supposed to be double of your placket. If your placket is 16, it's supposed to be 32. I'm going to use the rest to do something. That's why mine is too long. So we're going to fold it like this. Then we sew at the tip, just like that, from the top to the end. So let me go and do that and come back. So you can see I've done that. So we're going to flip everything over. You can see I'm flipping it. So this is how we're going to iron it. The seam part, you have to come in the middle like that, as you see. Then you iron it from the top to the end, from the start to the bottom. So you can see, so this is how we're going to do. We finish ironing it. This is how we're going to start doing it. You leave a space inside, you fold it like that. Let me do that again. You fold it this way, and you make sure this part straight away. It's very straight line. Then you fold it back here like that. So this is how we're going to do it. You keep on going like you're making an arrow mouth. You just fold it back inward like this, and you fold it like that again. So this is how we're going to do it, left and right. We move using our both hands. When you fold like 2 or 3, then you just have to put your iron on it, to hold it down. You can splash some water on it if your fabric is, hard one. Mine is very hard, so later on I splash some water on it. So you keep on folding that way, the same style. When you fold 2 or 3, then you put your iron on it. You just have to keep on folding, then you iron it. You put your iron on it, and you keep it holding down, or you splash some water on it. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like and share, comment. And I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays. If I could able to post it on Sunday, that's why it's very important, and to click on notification bell. So anytime I post a new video, then you'll be updated. The more you subscribe, it motivates me. The more you like the video, it motivates me to keep on sharing videos, to keep on teaching you it is what it is. So as you are doing it, you put your iron on it, and you measure it. If you get your 15 inches or 16 inches the length of your placket, then you cut the rest and you just stop. You don't need to do it from the top to the end. As you are doing it, then you take your tape measure, then you measure it and see if you have get exactly the length of your placket that you are looking for. Then you end that place, you cut it up, chop it off. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm going to use some to do certain parts, so to do something else, so that's why I cut it very long. You can see I splashed some water on it and it lay flat. Very simple, so you can lift it up. It's better you splash some water on it so that it lay very flat and smooth, and you take it to the sewing machine and you sew in between. There's a way of sewing it too. It's a way of sewing it. Do you know the width of our placket is 2 inches? So we're going to fold it into two like this. We need the middle one. We need the middle line to guide us. If you didn't get this line, you'll not get it straight away. It will, like, the time that you're going to finish, you can see that it's not straight. So it's important to fold your placket into two like that. The place that you put your facing on it, you can see the lines there. Then you put it on it this way to use the middle as a middle guide. Then we're going to sew through the middle. You're going to sew through the middle, you know. You can see I've opened my placket, you know, I've opened it. So I'm working on where the facing is, the stiff is. That's the place I'm working on right now. You just have to sew through the middle line, you know, sew through it as well. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I don't know what you're waiting for. The more you subscribe, it motivates me. You like it, it motivates me. You comment, it motivates me, you know, to give you my tutorial. It is what it is, very simple and easy. You're gonna measure 1 inch here. That's how I suppose this plate to fall. That's another one. So remember, it was 2 inches, so you have to fall on 1 inch to fall on other side. Check this part as well, checking 1 inches, then top stitch. So now left for us to, you know, put the placket on the top. You know, we have done this several times, so I just have to go speed it up, and I'll wait till the finish. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Like I said, I have several videos on how to make a placket, and just have to check it out how to do it. It's well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. But this part, hey my guys, I need to go fast, and we'll move on to the next level. But you can watch it and still catch up something, you know, catch up something. It is what it is. So these are stones. These are stones, you know. Yeah, you need the heated ones, you know. Is how it is, you know. Just have to pick it up and you put it on it like that in the middle, just like that. And very simple. Just keep on putting it on it. Then you take your iron, you put it on it. Make sure you go slow, you know. Then you put it on it carefully. Don't let it shift or shake it. Don't shake it. You make sure you put it on it very slow to hold it down, to position it. Otherwise, if you rush the time that you're gonna lift the iron, you're gonna see that 1 or 2 or 3 have mixed their position, and it's kind of hard to take it back, you know. So you just take away some beauties out. So you just have to take care. You just don't let the iron be too heated, otherwise you're gonna burn your fabric. No, don't let your iron be too heated, otherwise you're gonna burn your fabric. So you put on it, you put your iron on it, and you put it on it very slow. After that, let it cool a little bit, then you just use your hand rubbing on it and see if it will stick well on it. Sometimes you do this and one may not stick on it, and you just have to check and see. When I'm done, I'm just have to using my finger to, you know, like pushing it and see if it will push or to stand. So if they push, I say, hey, you, this guy didn't stick well, hey, I gotta do it again. Then I'll just put an eye on it. We are done. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I will appreciate it. God bless everybody. God bless you all. It is what it is. More IFC. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell.